I'm Queen Zola from the planet Zolofty. I'm very high and mighty. You see, my hair is so lofty. It goes right along with the planet that I live in. Oh, my chin. Oh, that's better. Oh, my cheek. Oh, my other cheek. Oh dear. Oh, this forehead. Oh, I wonder if they have Botox here. I need little boxing. Oh, these kids are giving me quite a headache. Oh, my head is splitting this way and that way from those kids driving me